Hello there, this is Kevin Matthew from Refix Network. Today we're gonna learn how to remove and fix a SMD embedded controller. First, apply flex all over the corners. And then I'm using a SMD rework station with full air and full temperature. It's around 450 degree and the air is in its 8th range. Using a tweezer, very gently pull up, very gently. You should mind the gap between the IC and the blower. Keep in mind one thing, that do not force it, do it very gently like this. After removing the component, clean the pad using a wick. If there is enough flex, then no need to apply additional flex. If there isn't, you should apply some more and clean it properly. Then only we can move our IC on the pad smoothly, because we have to place it back. After removing the lead, clean the area using IP, thinner, petrol, any of the liquid which one you are using. I use a tissue or cotton to clean it. After cleaning, place the component properly. Look from the top and see all the corners, all the four sides are I placed correctly. Once you placed it correctly, hold it with a finger and put some flex like this. Here I am using BGA flex. It will give you more clear and more fast, and it's also good. So once you apply the flex, take a little bit, very little bit lead on your iron and mark all the three sides, and then again I'm going to apply the flex the remaining one side. I feel this is an art and you are the artist, and this is Now the brush you are
holding.
press
Or
and
do
then
not
gently
force.
on the top of the legs and also the pads like this. When there is some excess lead on the legs, then clean your iron tip and again move your iron on that legs or the lead. Now you can see have removed all the excess lead from this side, do the process for the remaining sides also. Here you can see there is a little more. The quantity of the flex is more. I'm removing it only using the iron. Here you can see that the excess lead is attracting to the iron. Now just clean the iron. Do this process frequently until all the excess lead removing from the side. If you are new to this, you should practice this daily. Keep in mind one thing, that do not force. Remember my words, you are an artist and this is an art, and you are holding a brush on your hand. So once all the four sides are fixed properly, clean it using a brush and the liquid what one you are using, IP, thin or XYZ. Once you fixed all the four sides, look through a magnifier and make sure all the connections are made correctly and no any other pins are connected each other. Now you can see all the four sides are fixed. Cool, right? Thank you for watching the video, and please share, like, comment and subscribe, and have a good day.